Hello everyone. So we are studying use case diagram, and this diagram we have discussed. Then also we have discussed about the important points or the use of use case diagram. Then in the previous session we discussed about the core components, and today we will focus on the core relationship. This we have already studied in the previous unit topic like relationships and all, but let's discuss it again. So when you will draw the use case diagram, so in use case diagram you will find the two types of relationship. One can be the association and second can be the generalization, and we know the meaning of both the relationship, right? So the association is basically represented by the solid line, while generalization is represented by this type of arrow, right? So let's see the example to understand it. See, here you can see that this actor is associated with this case. This actor is associated with this case. So this is the association. We call it association, right? Association. Well, this is the customer, but this is NRI customer, and here we have a normal customer. So we can say that it's a generalization, right? It's a generalization. Generalization means customer can be of any type, but the overall it's he or she is the customer. So we call it generalization, and this is the symbol, like you can draw this way, generalization, right? So two types of relationship you can see, right? So okay, so association is communication between an actor and the use case, while generalization is relationship between one general use case and a special use case. Also we can consider them with the user as well. Here we have mentioned about the use case, and also we can consider it as we can use for the users or the actors. For example, see, if you notice this arrow, this is generalization. Paying bill, ultimately you are paying something, right? Either you are paying through the credit card or the cash, but ultimately you are paying something. So paying becomes your generalized form, but it has two different ways, like credit card or the cash. And so here you can use this type of arrow, and this we call the generalization, right? So this is the generalization. So core components and the core relationship. More relationships are there, extend and include, but this we will discuss in the next part.